As you may know, Ramadan is right around the corner, so why not prep for it? So today we're going to be making samosa filling. This filling can be used in chicken bread, chicken paratha, chicken cheese paratha. If you're making chicken cheese paratha, you just need to add some cheese on. For this marination, we will be needing half kg of chicken keema or minced chicken, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika or red chili powder. I prefer using paprika because red chili powder has a very strong flavor, while paprika has a mild flavor and it gives color as well. And also during Ramadan, when you break your fast or at iftari, you don't want to have too much spice at once. Apart from that, we need 2 medium chopped onions, 2 green onions, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 teaspoons of adrak lasan paste, so it's 1 teaspoon of adrak paste and 1 teaspoon of lasan paste, 2 hari mirch, so they're cut up right here, 1 teaspoon of zira powder, 1/2 teaspoon of sabat dhania, and which is coriander, and so add the powder here and the leaf part here. Apart from that, we will need half teaspoon of kati mirch, half teaspoon of black seeds, which is also kalonji, and half teaspoon of kali mirch or black pepper. I'm gonna start by coming here at the back. I'm gonna turn the stove on. Okay. What we're going to do is we're gonna take our butter and just put it over here. What we're going to do is we're going to saute our onions. So butter I'm using, you can use oil or ghee, but I like using butter because we don't want it to be too hard and like dry. We want it to be creamy and soft. Okay. I'm just gonna add in our onions only. Start to see a slight color change. We're going to add in our adrak lasan paste into this, and we're just going to mix this all in. Okay. And now I'm going to add in our minced chicken. I'm gonna mix this until the chicken changes color into a white color. As you can see, the chicken has started to change color. So I'm gonna keep the spoon aside and we're gonna be mixing our spices. So that's the coriander powder, our black pepper, salt, red chili flakes, kalonji, zira powder, and paprika. Just go in there. You can see that these blend of spices give a very nice color. Yeah. It has this like reddish color. Okay, so I'm gonna take this back here and add this to our minced chicken. And I'm going to give this a nice mix until all the chicken is well cooked. Now you can see the chicken has taken the color of the spices. So I just turn the stove off. I'm just going to bring this here. I have a hot plate because like the pan's really hot. What I'm gonna do is just pour all our spices onto this spoon. I'm just gonna put all our spices, our herbs into this. And I'm just gonna mix this. That looks great. I'm gonna be doing the samosa filling, like putting the filling in the samosa tomorrow, because right now I couldn't find any of the samosa patties outside. So I'm gonna try again tomorrow. If we find it, we're gonna be making the samosas tomorrow. If you guys like this recipe, please tell me in the comments down below. Please like, subscribe, and please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye!